Hey there, Sean Bailey. Welcome to this video today. And today we're going to be talking about how to use Chatbot Messenger to make more money for your business. So here's the fact. Every business needs leads. The more leads that you have, the more sales you're going to generate, the more money that you're going to make for your business, right? So here's 3 things that you can do right now to generate more leads for your business. 1, make sure that you've got a lead magnet in your Facebook profile. Second, you want to make sure that you're generating leads 3 ways inside of Facebook Messenger. And third, you want to use a QR code to generate a subscriber and not just send them to a website and miss out on the chance to get their contact information. So we'll dive a little bit deeper into each one of these here as we go. But first off, make sure you click like and subscribe on this video. Make sure you share this video with some friends. I really appreciate it. It really helps out smaller channels like mine with YouTube. Now, let's jump right into it. Okay, so let's take a look here over in Facebook. So here we can see my Facebook profile, and if you notice here on my profile picture here on this background that I've got set up, I offer lead magnets, a 100% free quick start guide, set up your first chatbot in 5 easy steps. So the great thing is that I'm telling them to click onto this picture, and when they click on it, you can see over here, I've got it set up so that get your free chatbot quick start guide, and then I've got this link and it says m.me/ and then it's got the rest of my URL here. But with these types of links where it says m.me, that is going to take them over to Facebook Messenger. So if we click on this, it's going to load up Facebook Messenger, whether it's on the computer or on the phone, and boom, now it says get started. So I just click get started. And now it's going to start the process here of getting them to go and check out my free lead magnet. But the great thing is that once they start clicking on things and interacting, it's going to add them as a subscriber inside Facebook Messenger for me. So now I can follow up with these people. I can send them messages. I can send ads to these people, and I've essentially added them to a list. Right? So now I'm building a list of people just by reaching out and messaging people on Facebook. Because when they see my profile and click on that picture, they're going to go and actually see the Facebook Messenger link, and then they're going to go and click on it. And once they do and brings them into Messenger, boom, I've got them as a subscriber. So the second thing that we want to do is make sure that we're 3xing. We're getting 3 times as much information from people as far as our lead generation inside Facebook Messenger. And I'll show you what I mean with that. Okay, so